Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to change a display name on Roblox. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your display name on Roblox, first tap open your Roblox application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And now, from the main home page, tap the three dots at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Tap on the Account Info button under the Settings menu. And now select the pencil and paper icon right next to display name. Now enter the display name that you'd want to change to. Once you enter your display name you'd like to change to, you can tap on the save button. But remember that your display name can be changed once every 7 days. Once you change your display name right now, you'll need to wait for the next 7 days in order to change it again. Finally, tap the save button and you'll be able to change your display name for Roblox. As you can see that my display name has been changed. That way you can easily change your display name on Roblox quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.